A remedy for hiccups for ages 7 and up. It's 1 drop of peppermint essential oil, also known as mentha piperita. Just put a single drop on your finger and then apply it right to the middle of your tongue. I can guarantee that within a minute, your hiccups will be gone. If that doesn't do the trick, you can repeat the process one more time. You'll be truly amazed to see that your hiccups will completely disappear within the very next minute. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit my website for more information. And most importantly, I'll see you